Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm at the MarineMax Greenville here in South Carolina, and I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this 2022 X22 that we're going to have here on brokerage. This boat has 33 hours on it. It has the Kahuna Blue with the cool feel black interior. So it's the X22. We have the flip down armrests on both sides. The nice walkthrough over here. Got the big bench seat. It's got the advanced audio, reverse flip couch. It's got the pop-up lounge seats in the back with the footrests. We got phone holders here, pop-up backrest, BTS windshield, Z8 folding tower, wakeboard racks, dual screen advanced audio with the rear-facing camera. Awesome boat, super clean as you can see, decadence flooring. We're gonna have this boat. We'll get it up on the website. We'll have it here at the MarineMax store. Or you can give us a call at 864-236-9005. Once again, this is the 2022 X22 with the 6.2 motor, Surf Star with 33 hours. Beautiful boat.